you installed all the required elements such as Visual Studio and XAMPP on your system. Before going further in this video, I would like to suggest you that like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for further updates of this channel. In this video, first I am going to teach you how to create a new project in Visual Studio and a small interface, and we will start now. Now we have to develop a simple form which is reach of control and which will give access to different things. Now we will just start a Visual Studio. Okay, go to Files, New, Project. This is an Windows application. You have to click on Windows application, name as simple, enter. You will get a new window. Now just make it quickly. Resize the form. Go to the background color, change it to caption active, and just we are all done over up till now. Other thing you have to do is go to the and search for the tool which is start position and set it to center screen, which will take a label over here. Quickly just change these are the properties. Now we have to do something with these properties. This properties font you have to change to 14. Make it as simple as you can. Just change the text. Text over here to first name. We just have to take a label, first name, copy it many times as we have to develop first name, last name, city, email and country. This is our interface. This is text box and label. We have to develop this project. Now again go to the project, take the text as last name, then to email, then to city, and then change. Just find into toolbox, get a text box, drag it over there and just adjust it properly. Now just adjust it properly, go to the properties. Now find the font size and change it to 12. Okay, now you just have to copy them properly, copy, paste, and we have to develop such such text boxes 5 times. Then we will rearrange it properly according to us, according to form, whichever interface will be prettier. Now after doing all this stuff, we will go for the further procedures and we will rearrange. Final rearrangement will be given to this, adding to buttons, resizing the buttons properly, and again copying and paste the buttons. Just go to the text boxes and arrange them properly rename them to FL. Now just rename these text boxes to according to us EM. As these text boxes, rename these buttons to submit and clear. The text should be changed. Then add a web form with this procedure. This is somewhat fast. Just go to the properties of the form and change the background color and copy this first name from there and paste it over here. All of these things should be copy and paste, as we have to display this first name last name in the output section. We just name this new form as output and taken a new label from the toolbox and just copy and pasted this label and created multiple times. And now double click on submit button. We'll give this if condition. This condition will allow us to do that, means it will check whether I'm going to get an error over here. Okay, now I will just do it proper. Okay, this will just check that all the boxes should be filled properly. If not, it will show some of the text message to the user. Now the message box dot show, in double quotation we will write the message, fill all the boxes, and else first we will go to the upper side of the form and just assign some static string variables whose data type string A, B, C and all. You just have to write this code properly. We have to store this text.f.text value into the static variables A, B, O, K, M, and just go to the next page and load it properly. In this load page function, we have to write some specific code that label 6, which is in this form.text equals to forum1.a. Now the variables declared in the first form, the values given to them now transferred to this page and given to this label with this code, and we will write this code properly. And after completing this code, when it is all done, we will just go to the page design page and click on the submit button, and will this dot hide. This will initialize the next output page, which is the next form of. Now just writing after this code, we'll go to this form and click on the clear button and just copy all of the upper text one by one, or you can just reduce your efforts by copying all of this thing. And we just assigning the state boxes to the empty by this code. We are just assigning them as null, as it's the space between this two quotation is blank. Now after clicking clear, it will be cleared. The size of this frame will be copied and given to the first frame. Now there is a little bad arrangement which will be adjusted within some minutes by you and by me also. Now it's a good interface which will look, and just run the application. It will take some of the time, and now just the application is ran. Now let us try with the Joseph and last name as Aya. email address joseph@gmail.com, city we will take as Mumbai, and country India. Submit. Now we will get the second page, and this all. Guys, hope you will love this video, and please like, subscribe and share this video with all of your friends. Thank you.